fun, hard work, joy, sleepless nights, passion. The journey began with a single girl and 4 boys. The path we decided to take in 2011 created an enormous community across the world.
Taking action and overcoming adversities are crucial. As students, we're the ones most involved in education, yet often the last day. To turn the tables, we held the 4th Young Diplomats Conference on Education, hosting more than 120 students from 30 cities, where we discussed third education systems.
We co-organized the Science Tunnel, established the Science Track in 42 science museums, introducing over 120,000 people to the basic principles of science in 45 cities.
We wanted to work as part of a larger community, not just as a team. So we decided to cooperate on our STEAM Track project with senior executives of over 20 worldwide companies that would travel all over Turkey with STEM experiments of our designs.
To improve continuously while sharing our experiences is what we learned from FIRST. We tore down the walls of limits and initiated education first. We created 4 curricula on the topics of robotics, unmanned air vehicles, science high schools and primary schools, then collaborated with the Turkish Board of Education and Discipline. These are studied in 13,000 schools, 1 in Canada. We donated 46 pieces of Integra branded 3D printers designed by us to different schools and reached over 30,000 people.
Promoting equality is our common goal. We established 2 science and technology high schools and mentored 70. We gave robotics seminars in 19 cities with our first tour.
Thanks to Girls First events organized by 3646,
hundreds of girls are encouraged to be the leaders of Industry 4.0 and leave a mark on history.
We initiated FLL Junior in Turkey, organizing it twice and mentoring 8 FLL Junior teams. We started 56 FLL and 14 FRC teams, volunteered at and supported the Turkish FRC off-season for 3 years.
Congratulations 3646.
Supporting each other is essential. We found $60,000 of sponsorship and donated to the village schools in a provincial city by building computer labs. We are publishing an e-zine with several international FRC teams.
In this communication age, media is the best way to create a large community. With Pico Balloons, we sent the logos of famous people and popular TV shows into near space. Sharing our experiences opened a path for young generations.
We share our first adventures with ministers at technology and innovation fairs.
We use airplanes to provide shore security, as currently employed by the Turkish Armed Forces, and saved refugees' lives utilizing thermal cameras.
Their impressive efforts to save the puppy stuck in a well for 12 days reached more than 300 million people.
The first 101 book we wrote was published and delivered to 150,000 people in 6 countries.
Public security is a major issue. To solve it, we're building a bomb disposal robot and cooperating with the authorities too.
We established IntegratedFirst.com, which is becoming the first CV database for those attending FIRST over the coming years.
We build hope! We build more than robots!